What's up? Today I am show you how to fix push problem on Google Chrome. Sign in problem in Google Chrome. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Okay, at first open your Google browser Chrome. Click here and go to three dot and click on setting. And here you will see privacy and security. Click here and go to cookies and other size data. And here clear cookies and size data when you close all windows. Uncheck this button and go to push here and click on sign in again. Then enter your email ID and click on next and click here your password and click on next. Here you will get a new interface. Then again open your Chrome browser. Then again open your Chrome browser and click here. Here you will get found solve this problem. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.